Your front door is the gateway to your holiday magic. It's where every guest feels Christmas before they even step inside. From classic wreaths to creative garlands, decorating your door brings instant cheer to your home's exterior. Let's explore Christmas door decorating ideas that make every arrival feel joyful, bright, and unforgettable. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What about garlands around the frame? Frame your door with greenery or eucalyptus. Add bows, bells, or fairy lights to create a festive entry that glows day and night. Garland glowing? Like this if your entryway sparkles with joy. What's the best door color for Christmas decor? Red, white, and green always pop, but dark doors look stunning with gold or silver. Choose contrasts that make your decorations stand out. Color perfect? Like this if your door shines with holiday balance. What about decorating for small spaces? Even a narrow door can shine. Use mini wreaths, simple garlands, or slim light strands for an elegant, space-saving festive look. Compact magic? Like this if your small space shines with big cheer. What about adding a doormat or rug? Choose a mat that matches your color scheme. Messages like Merry Christmas or snowflake patterns add warmth right underfoot. Mat placed? Like this if your doorstep feels festive and friendly. How do I include bows and ribbons? Large bows make great focal points. Place one at the wreath center or at the top of the door. Let long ribbons flow for graceful movement. Bows tied, like this if your doorway feels joyful and elegant. How do I finish the look? Step back and check balance. Lights, greenery, and accents should flow harmoniously. The final touch, a warm, glowing welcome. Final glow, like this if your front door radiates Christmas joy. How do I decorate the door itself? Use removable hooks or magnetic strips to hang decorations. Add decals, ribbons, or wooden signs for a charming seasonal statement. Door dressed, like this if your entrance feels merry and neat. How do I choose a door decorating theme? Start with your home's style. Traditional, rustic, or modern. Keep colors and textures consistent with your overall Christmas decor theme. Theme ready? Like this if your doorway feels cohesive and festive. How can I use wreaths creatively? Hang one big wreath or multiple small ones vertically. Add ribbons, ornaments, or twinkling lights for a personal and polished look. Wreath styled, like this if your door feels warm and welcoming. Can I incorporate natural elements? Absolutely. Pine branches, holly, or dried oranges add rustic appeal. Mix textures to bring freshness and authenticity to your design. Nature added, like this if your door feels earthy and vibrant. Can I add lights without overdoing it? Yes, use warm white or soft golden lights. Outline the frame or hang curtain lights behind the wreath for a subtle, elegant shimmer. Lights set like this if your doorway shines softly and beautifully. Can I add hanging ornaments or bells? Yes, hang ornaments or jingle bells from the handle or frame. Their gentle sound and sparkle instantly add Christmas spirit. Details added, like this if your decorations jingle with charm. Your front door sets the tone for every joyful moment of the season. With greenery, lights, and thoughtful touches, it becomes a symbol of warmth and welcome. This Christmas, make your doorway shine with heart, spirit, and a little sparkle of magic. Inspired by these door ideas? Like and check back for more festive decorating inspiration.